Hey, this is Eric from Pew Tactical. Today we're going to field strip, disassemble, then reassemble the M&P 9 Shield Plus. First, let's remove the magazine by pressing the magazine release button. And we're going to double check that it's empty. Nothing in the chamber. Now take a look at the slide lock lever. We're going to push this up as we move the slide rearward. And then you can see it sort of catch there. You can slowly let go. Now take a look at the takedown lever. You're going to turn this clockwise until the 6, 7 o'clock position. Now if you have a new Shield Plus, it's going to be really, really stiff. So ours is so stiff that we actually have to use the bottom of the magazine to turn it. And you can see this roll pin here. Some people have that roll pin kind of protruding out, so it makes it even more difficult. You might have to tap it in. But for us, ours came pretty flush. All right, that's what you want to see. Now, you also want to look for the Seer deactivation lever, which is over here. I'll get a better picture of it, but you can use a small screwdriver or your fingernail to move it downwards. And don't try to force it past that, but it's a little yellow metal thing there. Now that you have this turned and the Seer deactivation lever down, you can hold the slide, pull it slightly back, and let it slowly move forward and slide it off. You can see the Seer deactivation lever is right here. And this is as far down as you need it to go, but this was original position and downward position. We'll put the frame over here. Now let's take a look at the slide. You have the recoil spring here, so you're gonna press downwards like that and let it come out. And remember the orientation, sort of fatter end towards the muzzle. Let's take out the barrel just by lifting it up and out. And that does it for a quick field strip of the M&P 9 Shield Plus. Let's put it back together. Grip your slide, get your barrel, put it in the bigger hole, and slowly slide it back. You're gonna feel it kind of lock in. I like to double check that's not moving anywhere. Take the recoil spring, remember the fat end goes first, and just depress this down until it slides down here. Keep it sort of in the middle, but there's only one ledge, so you can't mess it up there. Now find the back slide rail section. That's where you want it to go with the rails on your frame. Slide that back. I usually try to match up this rear section so it doesn't hit like that. And slide that on. Now you're gonna pull it all the way back and lock again. And move the takedown lever back to its original position, so clockwise. And it's still really stiff, so let's use the magazine. All right, and now you can move the slide back forward by pulling back, letting it ride. Now, put the magazine back in. That should push the Seer deactivation lever back to its original position. Now we can do double check. We can dry fire for a function check. We'll hold it, resets, and we're good. So that does it for the field strip and breakdown and reassembly of the M&P 9 Shield Plus. Check the link in the description below to see our review of it and other goodies from Pew Tactical.